to MoneyShift Africa, and I'm your regular host, Simeon Kevin Chukwu. Today, I want to just update you about MoneyShift Africa, what we do in MoneyShift Africa, the route to your financial freedom. Are you satisfied with your present financial realities? Are you living your dream? Does your monthly income take care of all your expenses? Will your current job or business chart your expected or financial costs? Will your current income guarantee your retirement into a life of abundance and wealth in the next 3 or 5 years? If your answer is no, then pay very close attention. Are you looking for what to do to change your current financial status? Would you like to be introduced to other genuine and secure means of income? Do you desire multiple streams of income? Are you looking for ways to generate cash flow, to start up a new business or project, or expand existing one? Are you earning income monthly that you are not actively working for? Do you have any business or project that needs funding? Are you willing to make a little sacrifice to make your financial dreams a reality? Because you see, sacrifice is the key. What are you willing to give up in order to go up in life? If your answer is yes, then you are welcome to MoneyShift Africa, because we will guide you by the hand and lead you through this journey on how to succeed, and you will surely succeed. MoneyShift Africa is a top-notch financial education, business development, and empowerment organization that is poised to educate, inform, and mentor individuals with adequate skill sets, mindsets, soul sets, and heart sets, capable of transforming them to achieve financial freedom in record time. MoneyShift Africa is designed to help interested individuals discover how to increase their net worth through connected economy. Because you see, we are in the connected economy right now. You don't go about this alone, okay? And that is why we are here for you. Our core vision are in two folds. Number one is financial freedom. MoneyShift Africa is a beacon of light that not only illuminates the mind, but also shows the way out of financial quagmire and stress. At MoneyShift Africa, we teach, mentor, and coach people to achieve financial freedom without putting their current lifestyle at risk. Number two is time freedom. Time freedom is the most valuable freedom in life. He who controls your time controls your life. At MoneyShift Africa, we believe that time freedom is a prerequisite to financial freedom. We believe that you cannot take control of your life until you take control of your time. You see, that is why we teach you how to make passive income so that you can take control of your life, so that you can take control of your time in order to take control of your life. Whoever and whatever that controls your time controls your life. Our mission is simple: to create and provide a system, structure, strategies, strategic alliance, and support required to enable you achieve this twofold vision, which is financial freedom and time freedom. Our values at MoneyShift Africa, we recognize you as our greatest assets. We value your commitment, which sets you apart. Okay? Therefore, our core value is to identify and develop people for excellence in their various fields of endeavor through quality relationship and capacity building. Our professionalism, we understand and respect individuals according to their unique personalities. We build lasting relationships based on trust, equality, and fairness. We develop entrepreneurial spirit and innovative mindset in people to be able to remain relevant and useful to self and society in a fast-paced, technological changing world. Our reputation, we are indivisible entity with focus, united with common goal, and ethical and fair in all our dealings. Our services include number one, entrepreneurship. Rather than relying on active income, we coach you on how to become an entrepreneur. You can start and run your own business at your convenience, time, and pace. If you are already running your own business, we coach you on the use of technology and innovation to elevate and upgrade your business. At MoneyShift Africa, we will help you to be a business leader and innovator of new ideas and business processes. Capacity building and development. Number two, at MoneyShift Africa, we are focused on developing, crafting, and providing conceptual business approach unique to personality and business threats. We understand that the obstacles that inhibit people and businesses. We craft strategies to overcome them using the most advanced system. Number three is wealth creation. At MoneyShift Africa, we promote wealth creation through entrepreneurship and investment. We expose you to long-lasting and enduring investment platforms that will help you to build wealth and sustainable wealth for that matter. Our dedicated and committed professionals are always available to help you every step of the way to build an enduring wealth, overcome limitations at any point they show up along the way, and to enjoy the process. Because you got to enjoy the process while you are walking and climbing the ladder of success. Number four is career development. At MoneyShift Africa, our team of professionals will engage you in a lifelong process of learning, managing, and multiplying your results. You will be taught how to operate at a peak performance at work and leisure, and how to transition into your preferred future. Contact us today and let's see how we are going to be of help to you. Attend our VIP Business Cafe, which we hold every now and then, and learn how we can be of help to you. Discover how we can be of help to you. We will help to analyze your business and check your business and discover how healthy the business is and how we can be of help. Whatever challenge it is, be free to talk to us and we will always be of help to you. If you need funding, we have various means by which funds are attracted to businesses. When you contact us, we will know exactly what you want and how you want it, and we will know what fits you and what will be suitable for your kind of business, and we will arrange how it will be done. Get in touch with us today on 090 846 73378. Again, 090 846 73378. Or you can WhatsApp us on 080 36 58 4214. WhatsApp us on 080 36 58 4214. Or you can visit our website at www.success-streams.com. That is success-streams.com. You can visit our various social media handles: Facebook at MoneyShift Africa, Facebook at MoneyShift Africa, Telegram at MoneyShift, or uh, Instagram Kevin Simeon 1. Okay, just reach out to us and let us see how we'll be of help to you. Thank you so much, and God bless you.